Tuck-ups, this is a basic gymnastics core exercise. It's also a scale option for the V-up. You're going to start by lying down on the ground, have your feet together and have your arms over your head. The actual tuck-up, we're going to start from the hula hold position. So you're going to lift up your shoulders, keep your lower back on the ground, heels off the ground. So from there you're going to swing your arms and hug your knees, sit up onto your tailbone in the top position and then come down again, nice and tight, hula hold every time. So again, breathe out, swing your arms and hug your knees as you come up. So these are your regular tuck-up. As a scale option, you can start with your hands and heels on the ground, and then you're going to again swing your arms forward and up, hug your knees as you come up. Okay, second scale option, you're going to have your knees over your hips, have your knees perpendicular. Alright, from there you're just going to move your upper body only, and then go down. Alright, so your legs are going to be static, lower body's going to be static, and you're going to move your upper body only.